So this is how to remove a window regulator on a 2007 CLS550. We already have the door pretty much disassembled, so we're just going to show you how to do it just to get an idea. So once you take off this rubber seal, there's a hidden 10mm nut inside. Let me see if I can find it for you. There it is. Okay, so we're going to take that off right now with an extended extension and a 10mm socket. So the screw or nut stayed behind. You don't have to take it off fully. Okay, next one is in here. It's a 10mm. Okay. Then you're gonna have to pop off these two rubber covers. Okay. So you have another 10mm. There's another one. We'll try to take it out without removing this frame piece support. Okay, so we actually have to remove this little frame support. So it's held on by 3 rivets, so we end up drilling them out. So that's the window regulator.